Look at these landforms just off one of the shores of Mexico. Aren't they beautiful? But have you ever wondered how these formations were created? Such formations are the result of sea waves. In areas where sea waves hit the seashore with great force, erosion occurs. While in areas where the sea waves are not so forceful, deposition occurs. Thus, sea waves cause erosion in some places and deposition in others, and in the process create landforms. Let's learn about the landforms created by both erosion and deposition. Let's learn about the landforms created due to erosion by sea waves first. Generally, if you visit the seashore, you will see portions of land projecting into the sea from the shore. These are called headlands. When sea waves dash against these headlands, they create landforms through erosion. When sea waves continuously strike against headlands, the base may get eroded. The erosion can create vertical slopes called sea cliffs. Erosion also creates sea caves. When sea waves dash against the foot of a sea cliff, they erode soft rocks and cut through joints and cracks. Gradually, these cracks get larger, developing into small caves. These are called sea caves. Further erosion of sea caves leads to the formation of sea arches. Eventually, sea arches may also collapse to form stacks. When waves dash against sea cliffs, the base of the cliff gets actively undercut. This erosion continues, and eventually the cliff recedes. As the cliff retreats, a gently sloping rocky platform is left at the base, called a wave-cut platform. Landforms are also created on the seashore due to deposition of sediments by sea waves. Generally, the concave space between two headlands is shallow, and the velocity of waves is not that high. Due to this, eroded material and other sediments get deposited in these concave spaces between headlands. Stretches of such deposited sand along the coast are called beaches. Over a period of time, sand gets deposited along the sides of the headlands. With passage of time, these sand deposits extend over a long distance that run parallel to the coast and form sandbars. When sandbars are formed, they separate some of the brackish water from the sea. Such pools of water are called lagoons.